Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys Kitchen. Jackfruit is one of the famous fruit in Kerala. Today we are going to make tender jackfruit gravy curry recipe. This recipe is very tasty when served along with chapati or rice. Let's move to the video. First we need to marinate the tender jackfruit pieces. In a plate, take 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well with 1/4 cup of water. Then add 3 cups of tender jackfruit pieces cut like this. Mix it well. Keep marinated for 30 minutes. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. Then add 1 cup of grated coconut, 1 inch size cinnamon stick cut into smaller pieces, 4 pods of cardamoms, 4 cloves, half teaspoon fennel seeds, add some curry leaves. Mix all together nicely. Cook on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes until it becomes light golden in color. Keep it low flame. We can add the required masalas. Add 1.5 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Mix it well. Cook for 2 minutes on low flame. Remove it into a plate to get it cooled down. After it gets cooled, transfer into a grinder jar and crush it nicely without adding water at first. Then add some water and grind it into a paste form like this. Remove it into a bowl for later use. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add the marinated tender jackfruit pieces and saute for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Remove it into a bowl. In the same oil, add 1 tablespoon oil, then add 1.5 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Saute it for 1 minute. Then add 1 chopped onion, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Saute it for 4 to 5 minutes until it becomes light golden color. Now add 1 chopped tomato and 4 green chilies. Mix it well. Saute it for 5 minutes on medium flame. Then add previously grinded paste into it. Also wash the jar with 3/4 cup of water and add to it. Also add half teaspoon salt. When the water starts boiling, add the tender jackfruit pieces into it. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Stir every 2 minutes in between. After 5 minutes, we can open the lid. Everything has cooked well. We can switch off the flame. Our tender jackfruit gravy curry is ready. This recipe is very aromatic and delicious. We can serve it along with chapati, roti or rice. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.